An extension of the Changbai Mountains stretches southward from the Liaodong Peninsula between the Bohai Sea and the Yellow Sea, casting a magical string of pearl-like islands through the Bohai Strait. The South Changshan Island is the southernmost island in the string. Its southern end has a small tail, which points further south, towards Panglai on the Shandong Peninsula. The average depth of water in the Bohai Sea to the west of the island is only 18 meters. The Yellow Sea to its east is 90 meters deep. This difference in depth has a huge impact on the currents. Long ripples appear on the surface at the junction of the two seas. Every autumn, large numbers of migratory birds from eastern Siberia, Sakhalin Island, Alaska, and elsewhere fly south to look for wintering grounds. The Yellow River Delta on the southern coast of the Bohai Sea is an important staging post for them. The Yellow River is China's second longest river. It originates from the northern foot of the Bayan Har Mountains on the Qinghai Tibet Plateau. The Great River is the most heavily silted in the world, and today at Dongying in Shandong Province, it has created a delta of 5,400 square kilometers. After running a length of 5,464 kilometers, the Yellow River drains into the Bohai Sea. There is a spectacular interaction between the river and the sea. In November, red-crowned cranes and other migratory birds arrive from the north. They glide above the ancient Yellow Sea and freshly formed wetlands. At the same time, thousands of Baikal teals gathering on the river are suddenly spurred into action, presenting another dramatic spectacle. They only gather in such large groups for migrating and overwintering. The ancient Yellow River has a magnet-like attraction for them. The vast delta has many places where other migratory birds can forage and rest. A newborn shoal with many tidal creeks is favored by the red-crowned cranes. The ebbing of the tide creates creek patterns, which look as if they have been drawn by some divine hand. Besides their extraordinary beauty, they are vital to the nutrient exchange between the sea and the rivers. The Bohai Sea is almost entirely surrounded by land. Many great rivers flow into it, bringing in large quantities of nutrients. This makes it extraordinarily fertile.